Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Now we are witnessing language face-off in Kerala. Remember, the decision to give Hindi titles to English medium textbooks of NCERT has become a big issue. Earlier, it was Kerala Minister for General Education and Employment, V. Sivankutty, who had raised this particular issue, who called it illogical. And now we have another reaction coming in from Lok Sabha MP, Su Venkateshwan, in fact, who has also echoed similar views. In fact, he has also accused the BJP of imposing Hindi by attaching a response, by attaching a letter written to him, in fact, by Minister of State Krishan Pal Gurjar in Hindi, in spite of his letter being in English. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Arpita, joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Arpita, the face-off there is now exploding. Give us more details about this latest controversy.
So while yesterday the Kerala Education Minister V. Sivankutty has criticized the decision of the NCERT to use Hindi titles for English medium textbooks, he has described it as a serious irrationality and a cultural imposition that undermines India's linguistic diversity. The minister has also clarified, like Kerala, like any other non-Hindi speaking state, is committed to protecting linguistic diversity and giving priority to regional cultural freedom. So this is what the education minister has said. Now, this is not the first time that a South state has come forward in language war. Earlier, Tamil Nadu has again and again reiterated that they won't implement Hindi in offices and they will only stick to their national language. Their regional language. Same wise, like here in Kerala, the education minister has reiterated that they won't use Hindi titles for English medium textbooks. They will only stick to what English textbooks need, that is the English text. And he has described it as a serious irrationality and a cultural imposition by the central government.
Right. So very scathing attack there coming in. And also, as you were telling us, the minister in this case, Kerala Minister for General Education and Employment, in fact, had said he had accused the central government of cultural imposition and of trying to sabotage the linguistic diversity of the country. How has been the response from the BJP in this regard? Any reaction from the centre on this new controversy that is now brewing in the state of Kerala?
They're yet to respond on the same, but the minister has called for a review of the decision, and we are waiting that if the centre is going to respond to the same. He has emphasized that English medium students deserve only English titles to foster their imagination and perception. So we need to wait and watch if the review that the minister has asked for will be taken into consideration and if the central government will respond to his needs.
Right. Can you also, Arpita, tell us a little bit about what Mr. Su Venkateshan has tried to say? Because according to him, the letter by Minister of State Krishan Pal Gurjar was written in Hindi in spite of his letter that was in English. That also has sparked, in a way, a war of words. Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Arpita in just a bit, but now we are seeing a language face-off in the state of Kerala as well after Tamil Nadu. Kerala government is claiming Hindi imposition. A CPIM member of parliament has said that Hindi is imposed every day, and Kerala Education Minister V. Sivankutty, remember, had called the National Council of Educational Research and Training's decision, NCERT's decision to give Hindi titles for English medium textbooks, irrational. He has called for a review as well. Now we have a reaction coming in from Lok Sabha MP Su Venkateshan also, who is echoing the similar sentiment, and he has accused the BJP of imposing Hindi in the state of Kerala.